Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Control Technologies launched Production Planning and Control System, which is duly approved by a premier co-backer of Nestle UK, that is IPS Contracting LLP. Production planning and control involve generally the organization and planning of manufacturing process. Specially, it consists of planning of routine, scheduling, dispatching, inspection and coordination, control of materials, methods, machines, tools and operating time. This ultimate objective is the organization of the supply and movement of materials and labor, machine utilization related activities in order to bring about the desired manufacturing result in the terms of quality, quantity, time and place. Production planning without production control is like a bank without a bank manager. Planning initiates action while control is an adjusting process, providing corrective measures for the planned development. Production control regulates and stimulates the orderly flow of materials in the manufacturing process from the beginning to the end. To make a successful production plan, some of the activities have to be defined in prior stage, like product, raw materials, product norms, bill of materials, equipments, customer with consignee, suppliers, production room, production line and resources, that is employee. In part 1, we are going to discuss all the functionalities of above. We are going to discuss about all the master interfaces. Let's start with production. These are all submodules of production. Coming with packing room. You can save a packing room and edit with the existing one as some of the created before. Some of the machine types are there. You can save a machine type and edit it as some of the enlisted before previously. Production lines are there. You can save and edit a production line and save it. Shifts. Shifts is creating according to the daily basis with the corresponding start time, end time, total working time, as we are showing A shift and B shift and so on. Packing room, there is a link between packing room and product line. Choosing packing room and link product line is there. Packing room and product. Choosing one packing room and product is generating. There is a product and production line giving a code of product, and production line is linked, primary and secondary. Now coming with employee master. Start with employee types. You can save employee types and also save and edit. Employee groups in the same process. Employee skills are linked with the corresponding skill code and save it. Department list are there. You can save a department and some are enlisted previously. Employee name with the employee code. Here is the employee. You can save it and attached a photo of an employee with this. With the skill code and skill name, and system also can generate a barcode for this particular employee. Now coming with customer master. In customer master you can save a customer and edit it, and some of the customer already created before. In consignee master, in the same process is going on, save and edit, some of the consignees are created before. In customer mapping, customer and consignee code are linked. Now coming with supplier. In supplier, the same process, save and edit some of the suppliers with corresponding code enlisted here. Materials. Store locations, save and edit process, as warehouse is a store location and location code is showing. Store bin numbers enlisted here, the save and edit process is going on. In material, the save and edit process is the same. You can also upload an image and attach it. Supplier map. Supplier mappings is there with the corresponding supplier code, barcode. System can generate a barcode with it. UOM master, you can save and edit a UOM with the corresponding UOM code. Material format, the types of items are there. You can add and edit and save it. Now coming with product master. In product master, we can save and edit a product and one of the corresponding product linked with QA type selection. Product barcode. System generate a product barcode for this particular product. Now upload an image for this product. In product norms, defining product norms, fetching a product according to the effect from date. Product type, defining the product types according to product type code, save and edit process is same. Defining bill of material, fetching a billing materials, effect from dates, and according to this material code, material description, UM, quantity required, quantity per pallet, waste in percentage are defining here. Product employee skill map. For this product's skill section, skill name, skill code according to the product code is defining. So coming with equipments. In equipment master, defining equipments and save and edit process is same, searching with code and name. Product equipment linked, link between product code and equipments. Now entering into user role. This is the interface creation for roles. You are selecting a unit, role code and role name. You can see the role details from here and module details and sub-module details defined here. User role mapping, login ID creation. You are selecting a user for the particular login ID, employee code and set the password, and the user role is defined here.